In this video, I will show you how to import PowerPoint presentation into Adobe Captivate. Before the import, make sure you remove all the animations, transitions in the PowerPoint slides. These effects will not work properly after importing to Captivate. Launch Adobe Captivate 2019. In the Startup screen, go to New tab. Select from PowerPoint and click Create. Browse the File Explorer to locate for the PowerPoint presentation. Make sure to select the compressed PowerPoint file. Click Open to import the selected file. Wait for Captivate to convert the PowerPoint presentation slides. In the Convert PowerPoint presentation window, you can change the project properties such as the name, the width and height of the project. You can preview the slides that will be imported to Captivate. All the slides are included by default. If you don't want to include that particular slides, deselect the checkbox. I will leave most of the settings as default. Except for Advanced Slide. I will select automatically, so that Captivate will not add a click box to all the imported slides. Note that the linked option is selected, which means the PowerPoint presentation is linked to Captivate project and not embedded into the project. Click OK to import all the slides. A message will appear if the height and the width of the PowerPoint is not the same as the Captivate project. Just click Yes to continue. Wait for the importing process to complete. All the imported slides will be added to the film strip. You still can change the order of the slides if need to. The PowerPoint presentation is added as a link in the project library. This link will be used to save changes made in the PowerPoint to Captivate. Time to save the project. From the top menu, click File and select Save As. In the File Explorer, specify where to save the Captivate project. Click Save to save the project. To avoid losing the changes made when the software hangs or closes unexpectedly, save the project frequently. That's the end of this video. Look out for other videos on Import PowerPoint to Captivate.